Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the caption color on your YouTube. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below, and we just quickly move on to the video.
Now you can change the font color. So just open any YouTube video, and I just open a video. So this is my video, and I just going to click here setting option here. You can see the subtitle option here, and just click here. You can easily enable the subtitle by using clicking here CC, and after just click here and go to the option here. You just can see you can increase the percentage of the font size, and you can also change the color. You can see you can change to green, blue, and there is here set of 7 colors they have been given here. So you can choose a particular color from this option. If you want to choose a dark color, you just choose it. You can easily change the background color. You can see you can change the background color. So I just going to change it to red or white, so the text color will be suitable for the background color. You can change both the font color and also the background color, and you can see a lot of options from here. You can also change the font color, you can also change the background color, and you can also change the background transparency and a lot of font styles and size here. So every subtitle font can be customized by using this particular option, and you can see the background color, and lot of options are given here. And you just want to click on the opacity option here. You can click the selected on the 100% or 0% or 75% according to your style and according to your wish. And you can also reset everything. Just click on the reset option here. Just go to the setting, go to the subtitle option, go to the option here and click on reset. It will be resetted, so don't worry. Try this option on YouTube to change the font.
Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.